Very good morning. This is Dr. Rajshekhar Medidi, MSc, MPhil, PhD in Chemistry, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, College of Natural Science and Computational Sciences, University of Kabri, Somali region, Ethiopia. The program we are discussing today is 4th BSc Chemistry, the course Chemistry of Consumer Products. Today we'll discuss about the topic that is very interesting topic, Essential Oils and Cosmetic Industries, Video 1. So let us see the contents now. Chapter 6 from Essential Oils and Cosmetic Industries. There are certain concepts are there here. Introduction, eugenol, geran oil, jasmine oil, sandalwood oil, rose oil, eucalyptus oil, jasmine, cetone, muscone, 2-phenyl ethyl alcohol. These are the different types of essential oils that we'll discuss in this session of the chapter 6. So based on the time schedule, I will be discussing about the topics up to jasmine oil, and the remaining concepts will be made into another second video. Essential oils. Definition of essential oil. Definition 1. What is essential oil? Essential oil may be defined as it is an odorous, volatile chemical component of plant or animal source are known as essential oils or volatile oil. Second definition is essential oil is concentrated hydrophobic liquid containing volatile chemical component from plant and animal source. Both the definitions are same, but if you understand the definition clearly, essential oils are odorous. They have the smell, and volatile, that means they will be evaporated when opened. When the cap is opened, that will be evaporated. And the chemical components of the plants. These are oils are obtained from the plant or animal source. Those are regarded as the chemical components from the plants or animal source. That is the definition 1. Going to the definition 2 to understand. It is concentrated. Essential oils are concentrated. They are more in concentration. Hydrophobic liquids. That means they are water repellent. They are hydrophobic in nature, and they are volatile also. Chemical components from animal and plant source. This is about the definition to understand. What is the meaning of essential oil? We can see essential oil represents the essence or the character of active constituent of plants. So the essence or the aroma or the character of the plant is nothing but an essential oil. Application of essential oils. If you see, essential oils are used in variety consumer products. We can see in a wide way, that is, they can be used in the soap manufacturing, toilet products, cosmetics, perfumes, food products, pharmaceutics. This is about the usage or the application of essential oils. The production and consumption is very fast. It leads to the increase in the yield and quality of goods. The production or because of the consumption of these essential oils is increasing day by day widely. Therefore, the production is also increasing drastically, and therefore it leads to the good yield and quality of goods. These oils are involved in preparation of various consumer products or consumer goods, we can say. Methods of essential oil productions. How these oils are produced. What are the methods to be followed? We can see the method. 6 methods are there here. Water distillation method, water steam distillation method, steam distillation method, cohobation method, maceration method, enfleurage method. These are the 6 different types of methods for the production of essential oils. First 3 methods are common, we can see in each and every laboratory and industry, and the remaining 4, 5, 6 are oftenly not used. Let us see, cohobation means in the 4th method, that is repetition of distillation, that is redistillation method, cohobation means. And maceration means it is the softening method, constituent separation methods. That is the constituent that is present inside the oil can be separated by this maceration method. And enfleurage means extraction of the oils from the flowers. All these are traditional and most commonly used methods. Ease of methods. The importance of these methods or the usage of these methods, mainly the requirement various extractions has been made used like this. For example, if the essential oil is not soluble in water, insoluble in water, in that case, steam or water distillation method is used. For example, rose essential oil. If you see the rose essential oil, rose oil is not soluble in water. Because it is not soluble in water, steam or water distillation method can be performed to get the rose essential oil. And some of the essential oil that is obtained from the plants that are affected with heat, they can be extracted by means of solvent extraction method can be used. For example, jasmine essential oil can be obtained by the solvent extraction method, and London blossom can be also obtained from the solvent extraction method. Then coming to the solubility, the essential oils are insoluble in water but soluble in alcohol and ether. Interestingly, sources of production of these essential oils. What are the various sources from where these oils are obtained? We can see different sources are there: plant source, leaves, stems, wood, roots, seeds, fruits, rhizomes, gums, etc. If you see the plants like rose plant, jasmine, lavender, clove, essential oils can be obtained by means of their flowers from these plants. And also the leaves called as mint leaves, lemongrass leaves. We can see the essential oil from the mint, we'll get the peppermint oil, and from the lemongrass, we'll get the essential oil. Lemongrass oil can be obtained. Stems consisting of geranium, cinnamon, we'll get the geranium oil and cinnamon oil. Those are very much famous cultural materials that are used in preparation of food. Wood. Wood is another source of the essential oil from where the sandalwood oil can be obtained from this wood. Pine oil also can be obtained by the wood. Roots are there. Sassafras trees consisting of different roots. Laurel family that belongs to the laurel family called as Lauraceae. So these roots, from these roots, saffron oil can be obtained as an essential oil. Coming to the seeds now. Seeds means nutmeg oil can be obtained from the nutmeg seeds, which is a spices used in cooking, and also the fennel oil that belongs to the carrot family. This is also essential oil obtained from the seeds. If you see the fruits like orange, lemon, orange fruit can be produces the citrus sinensis oil, essential oil, and the lemon can be producing the citrus lemon oil. Rhizomes, we can see ginger. Ginger is a rhizome, a root family, and it is produces ginger oil. And orris is also the rhizome consisting of orris essential oil. These both are have the most medicinal values. Coming to the gums now, balsam of Peru oil can be obtained from the gum, that is a thick liquid, and also the myrrh is also the gum product. From these, the different oils are obtained. This is about the source of oils from where the essential oils can be obtained by these various sources. Now, the definition, basic definition, that is called a distillation. What is the distillation? Definition of distillation: process of heating a liquid mixture to form vapor and then cooling that vapor to get a liquid is called as distillation. Simply heating the liquid into the vapor form and cooling that vapor, the liquid that is obtained, that process is called as the distillation. This is the setup of distillation, where we can produce the rose essential oil by means of water distillation. On the right side, you can see the laboratory setup of water distillation, and the left side, we can see the schematic diagram of water distillation. The left side of the picture, you can see the furnace where the fire is produced to heat the still containing the rose oil with the solvent. There is a stand also, so the temperature is adjusted so that we can understand the temperature rise when it is heated, and because of heating, the rose oil will be separated, so the vapors will be obtained, will be condensed by means of the condenser. You can see the figure. So because the cool water is circulated and the vapors are cooled and condensed and sent into the receiver, where we can see the different types of colors are there: yellow color and red color. Red color can be called as the rose oil obtained from the rose petals by means of distillation, and the light yellow color is called as the rose essential oil, which is obtained in the second receiver. So the receiver contains the two different openings. From the bottom opening, we'll get the rose oil, and the upper opening will get the rose essential oil. This is about the separation of rose essential oil from the rose petals by means of water distillation. So right side, you can see the setup that can be done in the laboratory. Next, essential oils, the volatile and isolated liquids. Essential oil is a volatile, that is vaporous material. Isolate, that means separated with some physical processes from an odorous single spices of botanical plants. So essential oils are volatile in nature. They can be isolated, means separated in order to get the distinctive essential oil. And the identity from the plants. More than 300 oils has been identified from various parts of plants are processed to yield essential oils. That is, cleavoid of cellulose, glycerides, starch, sugars, tannins, salts, and minerals present in plants through steam distillation. This is about the identity. We can obtain the essential oils from various sources, that is around 300 oils can be obtained from these various sources. And nature of essential oils. What is the nature of essential oil? If you see, essential oils are generally liquid at room temperature, while some are solid and semi-solid also. Purification and flavored oils. So these essential oils are purified and flavored to get into the specific essential oil. They are concentrated, rectified, that is purified, extracted, removed, that is that can be separated, or chemically treated further to isolate. Separation takes place. Vital components to obtain. They are then purified and their properties are adjusted to get the desired flavor and can be used as fragrances. So this is about the purification and flavored process of these essential oils. Cosmetic benefits of these essential oils. Most essential oils have cosmetic benefits in addition to their therapeutic properties. They have the different cosmetic benefits also, and also they can be used for the treatment of the various diseases. Essential oils has a peculiar importance in bathing. They can be used in a variety of ways in bath, in massage oils, or in beauty products also. All that is required to is to add a few drops of favorite essential oils to some base oil or to some neutral cream to obtain the different fragrant essential oil. We can see the composition. What is the composition of these essential oils? We can see these oils contains are made up of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen, and occasionally nitrogen and sulfur is there. This is about the composition of essential oils. Types of terpenes and carbon atoms present in the essential oils. The largest component is terpene, which has 10 carbon atoms and are head to tail condensation products of two isoprene molecules. So the largest terpene molecules is components having the 10 carbon atoms. The terpenes may be of aliphatic type, acyclic, bicyclic, tricyclic, with varying degree of unsaturation. These volatile components of essential oils usually contains 15 carbon atoms, sometimes or less. And however, the essential oils that is obtained from the seeds contains long chain fatty acids. This is about the introduction of the essential oils. Let us discuss about the various essential oils in detail. First one is eugenol. Source of eugenol. You can see eugenol naturally occurs in clove. The left side, there are three different pictures are available on the screen. You can see the left one is clove called as Syzygium aromaticum. Cinnamon, second picture you can see cinnamon called as bark tree, that is obtained from the tree. And the third one is the leaves, green leaves you can see called as Ocimum bacillum. Sweet basil used for headaches, coughs, diarrhea, etc. and other plants. The source of eugenol is from three different materials that is observed on the screen. And now the chemical composition of this eugenol, if you see, eugenol is an alkyl chain substitute glycol, means it is having the cell proliferation, self-healer of skin and wounds. So it is having the alkyl chain substitute of glycol. And the cosmetic properties and uses, if you see, eugenol is a clear to pale yellow liquid that has a spicy clove-like aroma. Various extraction methods have practiced globally for the extraction of eugenol and other nutraceutics, dietary food supplements from plants. This is about the cosmetic properties and uses. The most extensively employed approaches in this regard include solvent extraction method. So this can be obtained by means of solvent extraction procedures. Eugenol, it is a weakly acidic phenolic compound with a chemical formula C10H12O2. If you see the uses of this eugenol, eugenol is used as in the formulation of aftershave lotions. We can use the aftershave lotion. These eugenol products are used, and bath products contains the eugenol, bubble bath, fragrances, hair care products, moisturizers, shampoos, and skin care products. We can observe this eugenol. If you see the structure of eugenol, because of its peculiar structure, it is having the distinctive properties. That is benzene ring attached with the hydroxyl group, and the methoxy group is there, and allyl side chain is there. Because of this structure, it is having the various medicinal properties also. Geran oil, source of geran oil. It is derived from plants such as geraniums and lemongrass. It contains over 67 compounds. If you observe, it is the primary ingredients of rose oil, palmarosa, that is skin balancing sebum oil, and citronella oil, mosquito repellent. So it is having various components, and also primary ingredients will be having the rose oil and also some other palmarosa and citronella oils. It also occurs in small quantities in geranium, lemon, and many other essential oils. This is about the source, and it is the color. If we see, it is having the clear to pale yellow color oil with a rose-like scent, and is commonly used in perfumes and insoluble in water, but soluble in common organic solvents. It is used as flavor such as peach, raspberry, grapefruit, red apple, plum, lime, orange, lemon, watermelon, pineapple, and blueberry. This is about the sources of garan oil and the chemical composition. You can see the picture of the garan oil, how it is produced from the flowers. You can see the picture. The composition, chemical composition is C10H18O is a terpene alcohol and is found widely distributed in nature, either free or in combined form as ester. Oil of palmarosa contains as much as 95% of symphopogon, lemongrass. Coming to the cosmetic properties and uses, it appears as a clear to pale yellow color, cosmetic properties, then that is insoluble in water but soluble in common organic solvents. It is mainly used in various types of creams and lotions. It has a rose-like scent and is commonly used in perfumes also. In cosmetics and personal care products, geran oil is used in the formulation of aftershave lotions, bath products, bubble baths, hair products, lipsticks, moisturizers, perfumes, and cologne, skin care products, and suntan products. Of course, the uses is similar to that of the eugenol. Both are having the similar uses. Coming to the third one, that is sandalwood, chandan oil. The source of sandalwood is a part of the Sandalaceae plant family. There are many different types of species of this plant across various parts of the world. Although it is mainly on western Ghats of Indian subcontinent, it is available. Sandalwood oil is extracted from heartwood of santalum album by steam distillation process. That is about the source of this sandalwood. Chemical composition. Sandalwood oil mainly contains two isomeric sequestering alcohols, that is santalol and santalol, and aldehydes santalol. If you see the ketones, santinone, that is santalene and santalone. That is about the chemical composition of this sandalwood. You can see the picture of different sandal trees from where it is having different leaves are there and branches and barks are given in the picture. From that, it is made into small, like it looks like a biscuit. The structure is like you can see here how the sandalwood is formed, and it is made into small pieces like a powder. Cosmetic properties and uses. Sandalwood has a rich, warm, and woody aroma which changes depending on the type of the origin of oil. So it is having a very good aroma. Woody aroma is there, and it will be changing based on the origin of the oil. It is used as emollient, soothing agent, and also cooling and moisturizing effect for the dry skin. It also has antiseptic, astringent, and antidepressant and expectorant properties. It is also used to calm mental chatter and is used in as oil for medication. This is about the sandalwood. Coming to the jasmine oil. The source of jasmine oil is it is very famous flower. It has strong, sweet, pleasing, and romantic fragrance. Jasmine is a genus of shrubs and vines in the olive family called as Oleaceae. It contains around 200 species native to tropical and warm temperature regions of the world. Jasmines are widely cultivated for the characteristic fragrance of their flowers. A number of unrelated plants contain the word jasmine in their common names. Jasmine oil can be extracted from different jasmine species such as common jasmine, Jasminum officinale, and Spanish jasmine, Jasminum grandiflorum. Because of its peculiarity in its nature and aroma, The name jasmine has been used with the other plants also to bring the name and fame for the product of the uh, essential oil called as the jasmine oil. You can see the picture here how the jasmine oil has been produced. Flowers are there, white color flowers, attractive flowers, and that can be extracted to get the jasmine oil, and it is kept in the bottle, amber colored bottle. Uses of jasmine oil. Its main components are benzoic acid, benzaldehyde, benzyl acetate, benzyl alcohol, indole, benzyl benzoate, cis-3-hexanyl benzoate, 6-jasmone, ceosol, eugenol, farnesol, geraniol, linalool, methylanthranilate, p-cresol, nerol, gamma-terpinol, neraloidol, isohytol, and phytol. Different types of components are present in this jasmine oil. Jasmine oil is known to be an important ingredient in making the perfumes. In culinary, used to add flavor to alcohol, confectionery to separate, and desserts, it can be used in the small amount. It is also added in body lotions, shampoos, and soaps to bring its flavor. Jasmine oil blends well with rose, neroli, bergamot, petit grain, sandalwood, citruses, palmarosa, geranium, and rosewood. This is about the blending of jasmine with the different types of essential oils. So this is about the today's class of discussion of various types of essential oils. And in the next class, we will be discussing about the remaining part of the essential oils. Thank you.